Using Parent Square to set up parent-teacher conferences. That's today's topic for Tech Tip Tuesday.
Hi everyone, I'm Haley Davis from Piney Woods Elementary, and today I wanted to come with you with another Parent Square tip. So a lot of us are going to have to start doing parent conferences. So in order to do them, I wanted to show everybody how to use the sign up portion of Parent Square in order to turn it into a sign up sheet for parent conferences, so you can have parents sign up at certain time periods. So you go to new post on Parent Square and then over to the side, if you go to request volunteers, then it's going to give you the option for people to volunteer for something. So what we did was we changed the date to the date that we wanted parents to be able to sign up and volunteer for a parent conference with a specific time in there. So if we were going to do it for Friday, December 20th, then you could put that, and then we typed in right here, parent conference, and then gave a specific time. Now on the day when we're going to have a professional development, January 7th, we were able to add multiple tasks. So then we put in multiple parent conferences and multiple times, so that if we wanted 9 and then 9:15, there was multiple times for that one day. In order to add another day, we just added another day, changed the date at the top, and added the task for parent conference and put in our conference time. And we were able to put 2 of those per conference per day so that parents could sign up for them. And then once we were finished, we typed a little note about parent conferences and signing up for that in here, and then pushed that out just like we do any other post for parents. That way we didn't have to use an alternate platform like Sign Up Genius, or we didn't have to worry about just saying, hey, what time do you want? And then parents having to send that, and multiple parents wanting the same day or the same time. They could see what was available, and it was all through Parent Square, so it was going to be pushed out in the same platform that we use to communicate to parents.
Thank you for watching, and we'll be back next week with another Tech Tip Tuesday.